Take a moment to check out the 2020 Dodge Durango. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango makes even the most demanding tasks look and feel easy. Its bold power, uncompromising capability, and technology that prioritizes passenger safety and comfort make it the go-to SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate, premium sound system. Get the SUV that's got the style and strength to get the job done right. Test drive the Durango.